Voting is quick and easy when you're prepared. Bring your voter information card along with acceptable identification when you go to vote. At the voting place, you will be greeted by an election official at the door or at the desk. If you need assistance, an election official will be happy to help you. You will be asked for identification showing your name, Toronto address, and signature. The election official will check your identification against the voters list and cross your name off the list. The official will put your ballot in a secrecy folder. They will then show you how to mark your ballot by connecting the head and tail of the arrow. They will then direct you to the voting screens. At the voting screen, review the instructions on how to mark your ballot. You can vote once for mayor and once for councillor. You may also be entitled to vote once for school board trustee. Place your marked ballot in the secrecy folder and take it to the vote tabulator officer, who will feed your ballot into the machine. Once your ballot is accepted by the machine, you have successfully voted.